Could you please take your helmets out of your bag? It makes the inspection go quicker. You have both of your transition bags? Thank you. You're ready to roll. Have a great race.
I don't know who to talk to. It's kind of cool.
I feel pretty calm right now. I think it's going to be a fantastic day, and I have been looking forward to it many years, and now it's my turn, so I'm very happy.
Nerves are fine. I was here last year, so I'm feeling pretty good.
Good job. All right, thank you. Good luck.
Thank you. So this is good energy, right? Good nervous energy?
Good nervous energy. It's the best nervous energy. I'm so blessed to be here.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Such a great energy here. It's such a special race. Like Kona is the Mecca. It's such a special place to be, and race week is just, I don't know, it's just icing on the cake.
No waiting. Hi, David.
Hi. You bet. I have a red one in here. Thanks so much.
They come out.
Hi. We're ready for this.
How are your nerves?
Oh, I'm ready to just kick some butt. I feel great.
Does this feel like work to you?
This is not work. Yeah, this is a great opportunity to come out here and help all the athletes, be comfortable and get them ready for the race.
All right, all the way to the front for beautiful women.
Here, all the way to the front.
Come on in. All the way down.
What's that? Your helmet comes out down this track. Okay. Thank you, sir. Right back to the back of your helmet.
Join us tomorrow on race day for live age group and pro coverage, photos, videos, and so much more. Aloha.